In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital clock using ReactJS in just a few minutes. For simplicity, I have created a new React project. Inside the YT React small project, you can find GitHub link in the description box. And this is a new React project. And in the index.html, I have set up a Google font for styling. And I will give you the link in the description box. App.js, I have added the font family. Now I will run the app. First of all, I am changing the directory because I am in the root directory of the folder. My app is running properly and font style is changed also. Now I am adding a static date and styling for it. I want to it will be center of the page. Now I will create a user set hook. It will import from React. Now I will call date method. And to convert it to local time string, it will convert the date to local time. Now I will create a use effect hook, and it will also from React because I need to create an interval function, and I will wrap the interval function inside the use effect. Set interval will also an arrow function. And I'm updating the set current time state with the local time. I will update the time in every second. I'm returning an arrow function to clear the interval. It is time to change the state time with the real time. It is worked properly. This is my real time. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.